So we got an advisory in the MOT for the Clio last year because of wear on the brake rubber. You can see it there splitting just down the side. Apparently that's an advisory because it's unsafe and your foot could slip off the pedal. So what I'm going to do is just obviously take off the old rubber and just put the new rubber on. So what's involved? Well, quite simply, all it is just a case of stretching kind of the rubber around. As we can see on the back of it, it's just kind of a rubber kind of encasement all the way around, and the new one is exactly the same, we can see there. So that's just going to now basically go back on the top there. They can be a little bit tight to get on sometimes by the time that you've stretched it over. So I'm just going to put the camera down and just get this stretched over now. Okay, so there we go, one new rubber installed. What I did first, see the bottom is kind of longer, there's more to go on than the top, so it's easier to go on at the bottom first and then kind of just get the sides up as you go in, and then just leave this top corner, just get your kind of fingers behind it, or I guess you could use a blunt kind of tool or something like that, just to then stretch over that last corner, and there we go. So I know a lot of people moan about the pedals in the Giuliettas as well, because they're metal and they can be quite slippery. So I'm guessing, looking at these ones, because they're quite specific, quite bespoke, would you be able to put that over the top of it? It's unlikely. Can this come off and could you put a replacement on? Let's have a look. With the Giuliettas, it's exactly the same. What you've got basically is this stretched out piece of rubber that just stretches over the main metal body, as we can see there. Looking at this one, it's not going to be the right size. It's not going to fit on there at all. It would be a stretch, shall we say, to get it on there. But this one was specific for the Clio. So I'm guessing what you'd be able to do is go online and get one maybe specific for this car, perhaps another Alfa that might fit or something like that, and you can get a different rubber so that you can replace these ones if you're fed up with your foot slipping off of them and you don't like them. I'm not sure why you'd want to do that, but some people would prefer to. And there we go, putting it on pretty much the same as taking it off, just stretching the rubber over. It's only got 3 sides on these ones because of the drop down on the right hand side here that you can see, so a little bit easier to get on, to be fair. So there we go, just a real quick one for today. Can you do the rubbers on the Alfas? Yes. Can you do the rubbers on the Clios? Yes. Are they easy to do? Yes. So thanks very much for watching, really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.